Go.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Alright, so us Ratchets today are playing on what's it called?
Catalog Heaven.
Oh my god. We're in our base right now and I'm going to kill everyone. There goes my control.
I'll see you guys later.
Alright, I'm just gonna kill Connor with this frying pan if you need me. Except I can't.
No. You can kill him with a frying pan?
Yeah,
Guys, I think EA is gonna try.
Oh my god.
Ow.
Where's everyone?
Okay, I died trying to get out of my own force field, so.
I'm gonna kill.
You have started the war!
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill this person with my AC. Oh, I died.
Oh, I think I lost an arm for a second. I was like, what?
Right.
No.
Oh my god. You know what?
Oh no.
I don't know whether I killed him or not, but.
Hello?
No, we're still alive.
Open the door.
Alright, guys, all of us need to teleport.
Everybody to the dinosaur.
Okay, let's teleport
Oh
down.
my god, I died.
I'm gonna use chairs to kill people.
Connor, what are you still doing in here? I'm waiting
Hey, he's trying to murder us again.
That was rolled up at the person. Watch out, come out.
Who's trying to?
I am.
EA.
Yeah. Hello.
Watch out for
Oh
EA.
my god, help. Help. Michael! Help.
What
I
just
need to hear
happened?
you. Really? Die.
Wait, what did you need help with?
The stupid alien things.
Oh, no.
Aliens.
Wow, Michael.
Oh, sorry. I was trying to kill that person, but you got in my way, so.
Alright.
I got killed by
It's kind
Epic.
of your fault. No, Camilla.
I killed
Guys, you need to sit down at the campfire.
Epic. Around the campfire.
And sing our campfire song. Oh my god, I'm
See.
on fire. Anything that we can sing it faster than you're wrong. It would help if you
I can show you the world.
Why?
Alright.
Hey, Connor.
Campfire song.
Hey, Michael. I'm alive. Oh, murder him?
What?
I can't believe I
Alright,
did
we
it.
all need to sit around the campfire. There's Connor, Kamala.
Well,
that
as long as
person's
people
gonna
don't try
kill
to
you,
kill us like Epic over here.
Really?
Oh, you got in my way.
Mike!
Wow, Epic.
You
Ow.
literally are so stupid.
Well, you.
Epic keeps killing them.
No.
I'm trying to kill him, but
Hello.
people keep getting in my way.
He had a sausage on his sword.
Oh my.
Oh my
Not
god,
Epic.
this person.
Killed him.
Alright, nice.
Oh, be careful, I have an ice hawk with me and I'll kill you.
Oh my god. I'm
Make some
going to
noise.
play and murder somebody.
Can't sit. Oh, I got a weenie.
Here he is.
What am I doing?
We need a junior.
Oh, it's moving! Ow!
Yes, Connor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank God for this.
EA's attacking again.
Ow.
He just killed Tyler.
Oh, no.
He's a jerk. He's a jerk nugget.
No, get out.
Lasers.
EA game,
Oh my
get
Why is
out.
he moving so fast?
I know.
Hacks. I call hacks. Ow.
I think-
Michael!
He is a speed
Oh, sorry.
hacker.
He
Oh, he nearly killed somebody.
Michael killed me.
or not. Or not. I guess not.
Oh no.
He murdered me again.
I'm like chopping him up and he's not dying.
Health hack? Oh, he died.
No. Oh my god.
How? Kill Bosun.
Hey!
We came to our campfire because of this horror.
Should we just have a campfire in Jelly's base?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really? I just teleported down.
Too bad, we're going in your base.
Oh, I'm dead.
Open your base now, Jelly.
Alright, be quiet. I'm trying to get in.
Alright. Oh, my
Open now!
How did he even reach me?
Raise.
Well, I'm gonna.
Kamala, where are you?
No!
No! Oh!
Connor!
There goes Michael. Alright, but unfortunately, you have to be punished for anything and everything that you do in here, so. I'm just telling you.
Wait.
I'm good.
Darn it.
Boom.
Ow!
Stop.
Thank you, Jelly.
God.
Alright.
Hey, not
Sorry.
it.
Sorry.
Hello.
I'll kill you, Connor, if you come back there. If you come
Don't.
back there.
Okay, don't hurt each other now.
There's someone in here.
Oh, well,
He
I'm
did.
now.
He ain't dope now.
Oh, kids.
Alright.
Right now, set down the campfire.
He don't burn us though.
Moving! This is the best campfire ever! It's so portable.
We're on fire. We're human bonfires.
That's Junior.
I don't have any weenies.
Oh no!
You need a wiener for manhole.
Oh! Oh
I'm
my.
at the campfire now. Oh.
No!
Let's totally cut off the
You're a bunch of me did nothing to you!
Alright, here we go.
You.
It's on my head again.
Julie! I mean, Tyler, you're moving the thing.
It's on my head, that's fine.
Me.
Oh.
We might have lost some people, but it was worth it.
Alright, tell me when you guys want to get in.
I want to get in.
Alright.
Jelly. Stop waving your pool noodle.
Killing me!
Hey!
Hey.
Thanks for killing me.
Really,
I'm coming back to kill you now.
people.
You killed me, so I
What is
killed
this thing on the floor? What is that? It looks
I
terrifying.
think we can all.
Open
I think
it
we
up.
can all agree that I'm best Elsa. I'm death best Elsa.
Open it up.
Alright.
Yes, you're the best princess ever. I'm gonna
I'm best.
fly away.
My
Connor.
I'm
You're on fire.
Dad is not on fire. Or in the same
Look
Ah,
at this.
swampy.
It depends on one side or the other. Oh god, we want to get in.
I'm toasty. Wait, try knocking me down.
Toasty Jellica!
Yes?
Toasty delicious!
Oh my god, yes.
Guys, knock me down. I'm gonna be like the fuel for the
Delicious
campfire.
definition, make them boys go
Jelly,
loco.
jelly,
What?
jelly.
Yes?
Knock me down. I'm going to be the fuel.
Behind me.
Oh my god.
Oh, oops. Darn it.
Sword fighting on the height.
Ugh.
Still here.
Ew.
I don't have my weenie anymore.
You are a pajama.
That's what you get.
I didn't kill you. You killed me, so I killed
I will
you.
throw donuts at all of you.
You killed me last time, so it's just payback.
Have a donut. Have a donut.
Now the people will have to get paid for you now.
Killing me with donuts.
Yeah. Ow! Oh, that chair's so Hey.
Oh.
My favorite sport is tennis.
Ow!
You guys want an AC?
No, no,
I am
no,
good.
no.
I am
Fine,
good.
fine. Okay, don't.
Favorite
No.
sport is tennis.
I'm warning you. I'm warning
I
you.
got it on Camilla.
Hey.
My favorite.
Jelly, catch.
Well, there's Kamla's body part. Oh my god.
Catch.
Here.
Someone.
Does that say
Wait, I
CSI?
need to kill someone.
Hey, little mama, my name is in the air. I don't know the lyrics.
What?
Oh my god, that person.
Oh my god. I'm whipping everyone. Did
Jellica?
I kill you? Oh my god. I'm
Yes.
killing everyone. Oh, that's Connor. What are you playing? Oh, it's time to
Jelly,
wrap up the video. Unfortunately. So everyone say bye, starting with Kamla,
Bye.
Mike,
Fine.
Connor,
Bye.
Tyler,
Bye. Okay, bye.
and me. Goodbye, my fellow niggas.